About GFS Group LLC. Founded in 2018 and headquartered in St. Peters, Missouri, GFS Group LLC has rapidly established itself as a key player in the cargo transportation industry. With a dedicated team of approximately 30 employees and 40 skilled drivers, our company has consistently delivered reliable and efficient transportation solutions for over 6 years. Our core mission is to offer top-notch service to our customers while ensuring that our drivers receive competitive salaries and a stable working environment. We take pride in maintaining strong business relationships with reputable brokers and serving a diverse portfolio of loyal clients. At GFS Group LLC, we are committed to achieving excellence in every facet of our operations. By focusing on quality service and fostering a supportive workplace, we aim to drive success and satisfaction for both our customers and our drivers.